To connect Apple Pay to Uber Eats, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your Apple device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Account Settings page. From the Account Settings page, scroll down and tap on Payment Options. This will take you to a list of available payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other digital payment services. Tap on Add Payment Method to proceed. On the Add Payment Method page, select Apple Pay as your preferred payment option. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can access your Apple Pay account. Once you have authenticated the transaction, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay with Uber Eats. Read through the terms carefully and tap on Agree to proceed. Your Apple Pay account will now be linked to your Uber Eats account. To verify that your Apple Pay account has been successfully linked, go back to the Payment Options page and check if Apple Pay is listed as one of your available payment methods. You can now use Apple Pay to make payments on Uber Eats. When placing an order, simply select Apple Pay as your payment method and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Your order will be processed and you will receive a confirmation notification. It is worth noting that you must have a compatible Apple device and the latest version of the Uber Eats app to use Apple Pay. Additionally, ensure that your Apple Pay account is set up and you have a valid payment method added to your Apple Wallet. By following these steps, you can easily connect Apple Pay to Uber Eats and enjoy a seamless and secure payment experience. This integration provides an added layer of convenience and security, making it easier to order your favorite food and pay for it using your Apple device.